Hi guys, welcome back to again. In this video I will show you how to fix keep stopping error in Android phone. I will show you 3 or 4 steps to fix this. First step, go to your phone settings. Now go to app or app manager or app management according to your device settings. And here, find out particular app which is getting this error. Here, you can see all the apps installed on your phone. Whatever app getting this error, just press on it. Suppose, Google Play Store getting this error. Press on it. Just uninstall updates to this application. Sometimes after updates apps getting this error. So uninstall updates. This is the first step in solving this problem. Hopefully the problem will be fixed. If not fixed, follow second step. Press on the app again. Then, clear data from the app storage. This is the second step. If the second step does not solve your problem, then follow third step. Click on 3 dots. Click on Reset App Preference. This will reset all default app settings. This will fix the app not working properly. After that, try problem fix or not. If not, fix. Next step, open your Play Store. Go to My App and Game. And here find the app, which is getting this problem. And update the particular app. Suppose, my Gmail app problem. Updates Gmail app. Hope your problem is fixed. Friend, let me know in what step your problem solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.